F-U-N.
Fun! So what are we talking about today, Joe?
We're gonna talk about fun and how to make videos fun.
How do we make creating videos fun, right? So sometimes we talk to clients and they're just not quite sure how to create that environment for creativity or video.
So basically, don't take yourself so seriously, right? That would be like the first step in making a video.
Yeah, be open to making fun of yourself.
That's right. We've got a blooper reel. We've done that. It's quite fun.
Oh, you're gonna watch it in just a second. When you're deciding on doing...
Okay, sit up straight.
Are you telling me to sit up straight?
Yes, I sit up straight.
I am sitting up straight.
Oh, okay, good.
Let's just go.
All right, yeah.
Thank you. Yay.
So another thing would be smile, right? Smiling always makes me feel a little good.
Yeah, they've even like shown how just smiling releases endorphins, and so that can help like relax the atmosphere when you are filming. Another thing is get your team involved, right? Like maybe instead of doing a video just by yourself, get somebody fun to do it with you. It just helps take some of the pressure off of yourself, and it's so much easier to have a conversation with somebody else than, you know, reading off a script or trying to memorize something.
Yeah, a lot of our clients, we find when they do two people from the company explaining a particular topic, the engagement is a lot easier for them. I know, speaking for myself, when I'm doing a video with Christina over here, it's definitely a lot easier to bounce ideas off, and she can pick up thoughts if I'm starting to like lose my train of thought or so on.
The other part of fun is think about holidays, right? Like who doesn't love a quirky, funny holiday video? And it's, again, you're utilizing the entire team and you're being creative and it's just a good, fun time. Everybody's excited, holidays are coming up, and that's a great way to, you know, create a strategy, a marketing strategy around the holidays and creating videos specific to those holidays. And you get to play with it a little bit more and just have fun. April
Fool's just happened a couple days ago, and creating an April Fool's video, or a lot of times we'll see offices where, in the medical industry, where it's somebody's birthday and they're sending out a happy birthday video. Another great thing to keep your videos fun is spontaneous.
No, don't do spontaneous. Strategy. Right, so think of it this way. Yeah, it's great to do spontaneous videos, right? So maybe you're at an event, a work event, and somebody pulls out their phone, they start filming, and you know, it's fun, it's exciting. But also think about when you have a strategy in place and you've practiced what you're gonna say, you've practiced you know, basically what the video is going to be about, you're able to be that much more relaxed. And when you're relaxed is when your real personality will come out. And that kind of takes us to
authenticity.
Which is fun.
Of course, it's definitely, so we like to say, we make Bob from accounting look cool. But really at the end of the day, like if you're not funny, don't be funny, be authentic, be you. Don't dress a certain way for a certain image, be you. Like I like wearing a sports jacket. If you're a t-shirt guy, wear t-shirts in your videos.
Be you in your video, be authentic. If you're not fun, that's okay. Maybe bring somebody on that is fun and interact with them in the video, and that will definitely improve the scale of fun. The other thing is,
well, if all else fails and you can't get fun in your video,
what do?
Get Producify in your video.
Yeah.
We can come in and we can produce that full-scale production, or you can shoot some videos and send it to us and have our editor make you fun. Thank you for watching. Please add comments and share our video.
And have fun.